Today we are learning ways to make 5. So two numbers, when we put them together, will make 5. And there are many different ways we can put those numbers to make 5. So what you will need for today's lesson is 2 pieces of colored paper, scissors, and a bag. So first you need to cut up the 2 colored pieces of paper. We'll take these papers and put it in the bag, just like that. So now that I have my colors in a bag, I'm going to pull out 5 papers. Now don't look. Make sure you don't look when you pull it out. I'm not looking. I'm going to pull out 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I pulled out 5 pieces of paper. Now let's see how many reds I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 red pieces and 1 yellow piece. So 4 red pieces and 1 yellow piece. We put them together, they make 5.
We just saw Miss Tio pulling some counters out of a bag. So we have a bag here, just like Miss Tio had. Do you remember she pulled out 5 counters, but some of them were different colors. Do you remember how many red counters she pulled out? Was 1, 2, 3, 4 red counters that she pulled out of her bag. And do you remember how many yellow counters she pulled out of the bag? 1. Okay, we can see here that she pulled out 5 counters. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's think though. We have 2 numbers here that make 5. All the red ones and all the yellow ones. So let's think. We have how many yellow? 1. And how many red? 4. So here we can see that 1 and 4 make 5. 1 red and 4 yellow.
Here we have our 5 frame. There are 2 different colors in this 5 frame. Let's see how many red colors we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 red counters. Let's see how many yellow counters we have. 1. So we know that 4 red counters and 1 yellow counter makes 5. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 red counters and 1 yellow counter makes 5. Okay. We know that when our 5 frame is full, that means all of it has a counter, we know that it makes 5. So if I pull all the papers away, we can see that the whole 5 frame has a counter, and that tells us that there are 5. Now, let's see how many more I would need if I have 2 red counters. So first, I'm going to put 2 red counters. 1, 2. How many more yellow counters do I need to fill up the 5 frame that will make 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So I would need 3 yellow counters to make 5. So first I have 2 red counters. 1, 2. And I'm going to write 2 over here. And 1, 2, 3 yellow counters to make a full 5 frame. So here we can see 4 and 1 makes 5, and 2 and 3 makes 5. So now let's see how we have other numbers where we put them together can make 5.